The rescue house, we've torn out this shower on the second floor, and one of the things that we knew was a problem from the very beginning is that the original tile guy ran the Hardie backing on the walls down, right down to the bottom of the shower pan, and then he poured his concrete, which meant that the shower, it was actually the opposite of what he should have done. He should have held the Hardie up to the top of the shower pan so that the tile would go down the wall and not, and the way he had it would go behind and underneath the concrete floor. The other thing that he did is he nailed, you can see right here where he's actually put nails. Let me see a picture of the nail, the clavos. He put, in the pan. He put a picture of the he put nails actually through his shower pan. You can see right here. You can see right here where he put the screws right through the shower pan. That's bad. Because the way this was set up, that would have leaked and eventually ended up downstairs.
That's right.
Everything about this shower pan looks like an inexperienced person did it. Now, is that lightweight right there?
Yeah.
Is that lightweight?
Wrong way. That's the wrong way.
That's the
wrong way. He shouldn't put in before this.
You did it backwards.
Yeah.
So this guy is the same guy that did the shower in the master bathroom that we just tore out, because he doesn't know actually what he's doing. The shower pan was done completely backwards and should have gone down, and then the lightweight, the dry pack go on top of it. But he just didn't know what he was doing. Man, it's mucho caliente.